can talk about the 496 next greater elements 1. The next greater element 1 of some elements x in an array is the first greater element that is to the right of x in the same array. You are given two distinct zero-indexed integer array numbers 1 and numbers 2, where the numbers 1 is the subset of the numbers 2. For each 0 smaller equal than I small numbers, find the index j that such as numbers I equal to numbers j and determine the next greater elements of numbers 2, j in numbers 2. If there is no next greater element, then the answer for the query is -1. Return an array right, such that answers is the next greater element such as described above. Okay, so for this one, we can do is we have to mapping these numbers, like create whatever did on these numbers, and the map is integer new hash map. This means the numbers value, and the second integer means the index, and also greater, right? Next one greater than this, so I will prefer from the last one to go forward. Start from the last one, then go forward. So we can do is and based on that, and also it's in order. So I would prefer use the DAG to solve this problem. Stack. Okay, so use the stack to do this, and then we can, and also we need to create the numbers here. For the stuff from the numbers, I large equal than 0, I minus minus, and int cur is numbers to I here. And what we need to do is current here suppose is 2, so I need to because it's a find the greater element, so I need to move out. Like current here I find 2, so I need to move out if the set is empty. I need to move out to the smaller than this one. So where this thing? And then I will find if I move the smaller than this one, which means I will find the bigger, right, large than the, for example, this one, right? So if suppose the stack is like this way, I need to move out this one. This will not exist. This also not exist, but I think that this one should be in the stack. Pick up the pop one. It's not empty, so which means we need, and at the same time query should, if query is larger and equal than this one, which means I don't need it, right? Then we move out to the stack pick last, then we can stack pull last, and then come here if the stack not empty. So which means the pop one is already the pop one always larger than cur. And based on this, based on this one, definitely it happens. It's most how do you say that? It's very close to that. The nest, yeah. This can make sure the nest. So we can update the map. And if map contains the cur, we can update the result. Oh, so which means for here I also need to do something. And also this not this. Put the index grid table. Now I can pick up. Currently now there is map get the cur and equal to the stack pick last. Yeah. By this one finish, we need to put the stack over last current. Everything finished, we can return the result. Yep. And for the time complexity, TC is O1, and the space also created is O1. Create a table. Okay, so field, yeah, O1. Person is also O1. Okay, because two numbers, right? Yep, thank you.